Alright guys, here we are, back here with the two pottery wheels that we have in the classroom. Really quick, what I wanted to do was give you guys a video of all the things that you need to make sure that you have a successful experience while using this, and just kind of give you guys some insight to some steps that people sometimes look over and don't necessarily take into consideration when starting out on a project with the wheel. We have two wheels. And before you get started with them, it's always a good idea to make sure that you run through the checklist and you have everything before you even start to put any clay on there. So let's get started, and I'll present to you guys everything that you need to be able to start working on whatever projects that you decide you're going to work on with the wheel. Now, as you can see, the wheel's sort of been taken apart. This is a manual wheel, which means you're going to be sitting down on the seat and kicking it on the kick wheel part to cause the wheel to rotate on top. And this metal piece right there is what actually rotates and allows you to create whatever it is you need to create. This ugly red brown color plastic thing is a drip guard, which attaches on the underside of the wheel. As you can see over here, it basically prevents any of the clay that you're working with from spilling out and just making a mess all over the place. One of the things that's a really good idea to make sure is that before you start, it's empty, there's no tools in there, and it's clean, and all you need to do is slide it off of the tray, take it over to the sink, and rinse it out. I'll show you guys how to attach that in a little bit. The other thing that you want to make sure that you have is all the necessary tools to get started. Here we have a needle tool and a wire tool, a cup or bowl of some warm water filled almost up to the top, and the last thing that you want to make sure that you have is a small sponge. A lot of people try to get a really big sponge because it holds more water, and it ends up becoming a little bit more difficult to maneuver when they're using it on their project.